Hi, good morning here in Philippines and happy Sunday and Saturday afternoon in the other countries. I wanna say thank you for your all support during my life, especially to those people who are always listening and visiting my live and videos. I do not have live today because we have no electricity starting from 6 a.m. until 5 in the afternoons. So we could not see you all guys today. And keep safe always. Thank you so much for your support. I want to say happy birthday to our friend Sir Bruce. Thank you, sir, and be humble and God will bless you. Enjoy your life, God given, and see you tomorrow for our gospel session. And thank you guys. So you are always supporting me. I'm appreciated, and I will do my best to sing with you, to help you by your watch hour. So I play a deck race during my live so that I can help you guys playing your watch hour. So I want to shout out to those people who are I remember that always visiting home loan. Thank you so much for your support. Always you always uh, here in my life. Mom Rosalie, Crops and more, Shanster, thank you, my channel members, um, Star, and what can I say? Down the road, thank you so much, sir, for your support. Retirement days, thank you for the blessings you shared to me last day. And everyone who are, I know you are there listening. Thank you so much, guys. Hope that God will bless you and keep safe always. And see you to my next live, maybe tomorrow for our gospel session with Sir Bruce. And guys, keep safe always and bye bye from now. God bless.